How to use the alligator trading strategy. Today we will tell you how to use the alligator strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the alligator indicator developed by Bill Williams. Oops, wrong picture. Alligator helps to identify trends and their direction using 3 smooth moving averages that visually resemble the jaws, teeth, and lips of an alligator. How to set up the alligator indicator for quick trades. Set the following values. Jaws, blue line. 13 periods, shift by 8. Teeth, red line. 8 periods, shift by 5. Lips, green line. 5 periods, shift by 3. Follow the interaction of the lines. When the green line, lips, crosses the red, teeth, and blue, jaws, lines from bottom to top, open an up trade. When the green line, lips, crosses the red, teeth, and blue, jaws, lines from top to bottom, open a down trade. For best results, combine the alligator indicator with other tools such as RSI or MACD to confirm the signals. Happy trading on Pocket Option.